In front of me is DOOGEE S98 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then you need to choose security, tap on biometrics and password and click on face unlock. After that, enter your current screen lock and click on more at the bottom right corner. Then choose I agree at the bottom right corner as well and choose start at the bottom right corner one more time. Now remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. After that, click on done over here, tap on home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!